ChatGPT, and here is the command. The command is write very engaging YouTube video hooks. This is the title in English of 10 up to 15 words, so I can attract my relevant visitors. So this is my title. I must need to put the title here in the quotation. Then ChatGPT will write the engaging hooks of 10 up to 15 words, which is best. So is people per hour legit or scam? Truth every freelancer must know. এটা অনেক engaging. This is very engaging. So we can just use it. And the second one, people per hour honest review. Can beginners really earn money here? This one is well true. Anyway, let me choose the first one. If you need more hooks, then click on more. Then ChatGPT will write more hooks. Is people per hour real or fake? Freelancers earnings explained clearly. Yeah, I can use it too. Anyway, let me use it. And one more thing, we need to use this hook basically on thumbnail, because thumbnail is most important thing of YouTube video click or impression or view. So we must use hook on YouTube thumbnail like this. These are actually hooks on thumbnail. And secondly, we can use this same hook on YouTube video description. So thank you guys.